We started this company as experts in antibodies. Along these 25, 26 years, we developed this expertise even further. We learn from success and we learn from failure. And I think that today we are among the number one companies in this field.
We are really at the heart of the entire innovation, right? In the research part, the discovery part, particularly here in Utrecht and as well in Suzhou, is the origin of our discovery engine. This is where our antibody concepts come from, where our drug concepts come from, and then take these compounds, bring them into the clinic, and then later on develop the clinical strategy. It's really the core of what we do as a company.
We have our proprietary formats. I think that's our unique differentiator compared to other pharmaceutical industries, because we really need to make a difference in uniqueness of the product by balancing and really being creative to apply the formats that we have and the targets and the panels that we have.
It really is in our ability to be able to generate the next generation of antibody-based therapies. And our ability to focus will only allow us to be able to do this at a broader scale, faster and more effectively.
If you look at different pharma biotech, of course, we all are trying to treat the same indications. The type of patients are similar. The targets that we use are similar. So our differentiator has to be the new antibody modalities, novel platforms, so that we can become more safer and we can more efficacious.
Patients are at the center and front of everything we do. Genmab's approach to R&D is very different in terms of its agility, culture of agility. We don't operate in silo. We are making assessments real time, looking at the data that emerges from our compounds in preclinical, in clinical space. We leverage a lot of artificial intelligence. We have state-of-art labs we generate these data from, and everything is being utilized to make decisions in a very streamlined fashion.
To develop any drug and every drug, it is a very large teamwork and very long and complex process. The really smooth and collaboration between the different teams will be, very, very critical to the success, for sure.
I think a lot of us come to the table with a why. Why is that working? Why is that not working? And trying to put those pieces together. And it really is a puzzle that we each bring a different element together to fuel that curiosity. It's really interesting to see when we all come together in a room and see where that takes us and the ideas.
Innovation isn't something you can mandate. It's something that comes amorphous in a particular environment. It's kind of stumbled upon. And that serendipity of stumbling into something, in order to do that, you really do need to be curious and have that latitude, that freedom. Being curious and scientifically free, that's really important and is so important to innovation.